Okay, so I'm going to delete my print, and I'm actually going to change the name of this variable, because it's not really what we're going to be returning, because instead we will just return a HTML template, because we're going to be changing this entire view. So we need to provide the HTML with which we're going to change it. So this will not be our response. Instead, we're going to call this user, okay? And so here we're going to be sending out our automatic email. So first we'll test whether the user has in fact been created, because remember, the add new user can return either a created is true or a created is false if the email is already in use, okay? So let's test whether or not the user was created. So if user created, because the key is called created, then I'll do something. But for the meantime, I'll implement the else case, which is easier. And now I can say status is equal to 400. And the JSON response is going to be our user. Because here we can really, give back this entire dictionary, because the title and the message is here, so we can just return this to our user and see whether or not this works. And actually we can go ahead and test this right now, okay? Because the user will already be created. The m@m.com should be created, and we see it's working. This email is already in use. Please log in. Okay, great. So the last thing we need to do now is actually go ahead and send the confirmation email out to our user.